Nice looking bike. This is the CGO800S e-bike. I just unboxed it. This is my first look at it, and I wanted to go through its features and share some of my thoughts about this. Hey, I'm missing a plug on this side. Found it in the bottom of the box. Looks like they use a pressed valve, which means I'm gonna have to switch this around. I don't have my gauge on me. I'm just gonna pump until I feel it's good, I guess. Man, just taking a look at this thing, it looks really nice. I love the appearance of it. The color I chose is the blue one, but they have a different variety as well. I feel like just looking at the overall e-bike itself, it looks pretty slender in like smaller condensed size, so it'll probably be easy to maneuver, and I bet it's gonna be more lightweight. It feels super lightweight, honestly, for an e-bike. I mean, compared to a normal bicycle, it'll obviously be heavier than that, but I have a lot of e-bikes that are kind of heavier, bulky, harder to manage, where this doesn't feel like that. I'm also a fan of the contour of these handlebars. They're swept back, they look really nice. Also, looking at the frame, it has a step-through design, which makes it easier to get on and off of, and I think they advertise this a little bit more for women, but I personally think it looks nice. I bet it's suitable for both people. I think this looks awesome, and I can't wait to take it out to see what it's actually like riding it. But the appearance of it, it's a win. Taking a look at the back of it, it has a rear rack that was included and already assembled, which makes it really nice. The max weight capacity though is only 5 kilograms, which I think comes out to like 11 pounds. So this isn't gonna hold a lot of heavy weight, but this is nice if you have like small things, water bottle, different things you wanna put a basket in here and just haul stuff with you. That could be nice if you ever run to the store. Also comes with nice fenders on it as well. That's always a nice touch. The pedals look sweet to me as well. They have this grip tape on them that feels like they're going to be a little bit more grippy versus just the standard flimsy pedals that they give you sometimes on cheap e-bikes. So those look good. Look at this screen display. Oh, I forgot to peel off the sticker. I like that. That is a clean looking screen there. I haven't turned it on yet, but I like that it's integrated right into the frame here. That looks really nice. There's a password protected. What is my password? That's the real question. Boom, I'm in. 0000. If you want to steal my e-bike, now you know my combo for now. Dude, the screen layout looks really nice. The way the graphics even slid into frame, it was like very sleek. It wasn't like the old internet from like the 90s. This thing looked awesome when it turned on. I love the look of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different pedal assist levels you got. One of the big things I'm a fan of with the screen as well, that it shows your battery life in percentages. And that's so much nicer than just having like a bar indicator, because you're always wondering in the back of your head, like, am I about to run out of battery? But this way, it just shows you the exact number you're at. That's sweet. I've tested like over 35 different e-bikes, and this screen right now is like one of the cleanest I've seen. No throttle on this thing, so this is just pedaling only. You're not gonna be able to get a throttle to help boost you up hills, so hopefully this has the power to get me up hills. No way, dude. This e-bike comes with blinkers too. Why have I not known this? I literally have done zero prior research before this review, so this is all fun for me. So it's a nice touch that they included integrated lights into this e-bike, and it's kind of a bonus that they have blinkers in the rear of it. The few things that would make this a little bit better would be that when you squeeze the brakes, if this light glowed brighter, that would be nice to signal to people that you're braking actually. And then the other benefit would be that when you turn your blinker on, it would be nice if it gave you like an audible sound to let you know that your blinker is on, so you don't forget and just keep riding with it on. It does have an indicator on the screen, but it would be nice if it had like a clicking noise as well to just give you an additional representation that your blinker's on. Hydraulic brakes on this bad lad. They feel good. Now, compared to their CGO600 Pro e-bike, this has a little bit thicker tires than that, which I feel like will help dampen down any stones or cracks that you go over top of. And then it also has front suspension here to give you a little more cushion as well. So I think that'll be a nice smooth combination. The seat on it isn't one of those bulky foam cushiony seats. This is a little more slender. It's a nice brand, Selle Royale. It feels like a dense foam, so it still feels comfortable. I bet it'll get the job done and be suitable for this e-bike. One of my favorite features about this e-bike is right here, this carbon belt drive. This is supposed to be a lot better when it comes to doing less maintenance on it compared to a chain, and it just doesn't get you as greasy and all that stuff. So far, just by basing this e-bike off the features that it has, the accessories, and just the components on it, I would say that it's more of a premium e-bike, but really e-bikes come down to the riding performance, so that's what I want to get into in the next video. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to check this out for yourself, and catch you on another one.